Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? We got a red Ram 1500 with the e-torque and the Rocky Ridge package here, which is a lift, they got power boards, fender flares, wheels, tires, which all the stuff they offer we can do. Now, what they didn't put on there is what we put on today. We did the E-Series roll-in lock. What is that? Well, the E-Series is basically your electric cover. I'm going to put the remote here. If you notice, I'm going to push it one time and it opens up. Now, you don't have to hold the button with this, and I like that a whole lot because I like to push it and just be done with it. Now, what's nice about this, you can't stop it anywhere along the track. You can reverse it back. Very, very easy to use. I like this thing. And when you have a lifted truck, because this truck does have probably a 6-inch lift just like mine, sometimes it's hard to reach in there with the strap or the handle. You don't have that problem with this cover. Now, one thing you'll notice is underneath the canister, you have a ton of space here. I'm gonna stand a little higher. Here we go. So you got room underneath there. Also, in front of the canister, there's a cover. Now, why is that cover great? Well, if something was in the bed, you hit the brakes, it slides forward, and it hits this and not the canister. It's easy to replace or fix the cover. So, and it does protect the canister as well. Now, you have the small canister, which is great. You give you a lot of room. If you notice, on the drainage tubes are no longer clear, they're black, so it looks a little nicer. It blends in with everything. And if you notice, we're going to the sides and not into the floor. Also, we're using the factory holes. We didn't make any new holes in this, and that's really nice. Now, this cover does have an emergency release. If you see a little handle over there, if somehow you got stuck in there and you couldn't get out, you can pull that and that will release your cover. So it's kind of like they do in the trunks and stuff. I don't think most people won't be in the bed, but it's good to have. Now, again, I like this. This is, of course, this is the E-Series, and it does have the XT rail over here. And the XT rail is really good because you can add racks. Now, take a look at my truck, which, by the way, I have the same exact cover as the other one here. So we can do the truck seat elevate system. We could do the Rhino rack. So you can do the Kurt Safari basket. We can put tie downs. You can put all kinds of stuff on this. When you get the T-slot, it opens up the world to you. I tell you, I think this is a great setup. Now, we can install this for you. And if we do install for this, you get a little extra warranty from the manufacturer on this one. There goes from 3 to 6 year warranty. Also, if we put it on, we give you 1 year labor. So everything we do for you, we cover. Now, if you don't live in Florida, you say, I wish I can get it. You can still get it. We'll ship it to you. 40% of our business, we ship all over the country. So if you live in Texas, thank you, Texas, for your business. You live in California, you live in Puerto Rico, Hawaii, we got you covered. We'll ship it to you. And of course, we do the installations. We can walk you through the install. So if you have questions, give us a call. You can ask for me, Chris. You can ask for Joel behind the camera. Joel is the guy who put this in today. As you can see, Joel does great work. So it's not just me who can do good work. Joel does great work. And we appreciate all our customers that give us a call, and we do take the time to answer the questions. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the E-Series roll and lock with the T-slot XT rails on a brand new Ram 1500. And again, don't forget, like and subscribe. It costs you nothing. We're a family-owned business, and we appreciate that. Thank you so much.